Sharp criticism continues to mount against President William Ruto and his Ugandan and Tanzanian counterparts over what PLP leader Martha Karua terms as a unified approach to prevent a ballot revolution.
Growing number of cross-border crackdowns suggests a well-coordinated strategy by the three regimes, Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania, to criminalize dissent through arbitrary arrests, detention, torture, in order to inculcate fear in the population.
Speaking at the PLP headquarters, Karua sharply castigated the leaders of the East African community, accusing them of championing political repression with the intention of selling fear to their critics.
To the people of East Africa, this is our moment of truth. We must resist. We must act. To the leaders of the EAC, you cannot speak unity while jailing, abducting, and torturing your own citizens and criminalizing free movement of people, which is the very reason why the Jumuiya exists.
Caught at the center of the accusations was President William Ruto, accused of showing complicity in the abduction and torture of Kenyan activist Boniface Mwangi and her own deportation on May 18th.
Remember, Ruto is the chair of East Africa Community at the moment. That lapse at the airport of 1 hour before they came to tell us we were going to be deported, they were communicating with Kenya. Kenya must have given a wink. Why is he apologizing to Tanzania when his national, Boniface Mwangi, has come brutalized? What sort of apology is this? Short of thanking President Samia for torturing his citizen. I want to declare the three East African states, Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, rogue states.
In her statement, she further unleashed a scathing attack on the international community.
The United States, a self-declared champion of liberty, is barely audible these days.
As a result, Karua has threatened to pursue legal action against the East African Community heads of state in the East African Community Court of Justice, calling for the release of all political prisoners, an end to cross-border abductions, and the restoration of free and fair elections in the region.
The people we have mentioned affected are just a tip of the iceberg. In each of these three countries, there are many other people who are going through systemic torture, arbitrary arrests, some of whom have nobody to reveal their tribulations to the media and to the outside world.
Theo Masharia for K24 TV.